The average restaurant misses 25 to 30% of incoming calls during peak hours. If you receive just 75 calls a day, that's over $100,000 in lost revenue every single year. Not because your food isn't good, not because customers don't want to order, but because no one answered the phone. Hi, I'm Aditi from Naga Info Solutions, and today I want to talk about why AI voice agents are becoming essential for modern restaurants. The restaurant industry is going through a technological transformation, and at the center of it is something many owners once doubted. AI-powered phone agents, not robotic IVRs, not press 1 for reservations, but intelligent conversational AI that understands natural speech, handles real conversations, and executes actions instantly. An AI voice agent listens to customer calls and responds naturally. It can take full orders with over 95% accuracy, answer menu questions, manage reservations with real-time availability, handle unlimited calls simultaneously during rush hours, upsell intelligently based on order patterns, and operate 24/7 without breaks. It doesn't get overwhelmed, it doesn't forget items, it doesn't put customers on hold. There are 4 big reasons AI voice agent adoption is accelerating. 1. Labor challenges. The industry has a 75% annual turnover rate. Hiring staff just to manage calls is expensive and inconsistent. 2. Customer expectations. 83% of customers will order from another restaurant if they hit voicemail more than once. You rarely get a second chance. 3. Rising operational costs. Human call handling costs $3 to $6 per interaction. AI voice agents cost just 25 to 50 cents. That's up to 90% cost efficiency. 4. Technology maturity. Voice AI now understands accents, complex menu logic, and conversational nuance. This isn't experimental anymore. And then there's accuracy. Human order taking typically averages around 75% accuracy. AI, on the other hand, can exceed 95% accuracy. That means fewer wrong orders, less food waste, and happier customers. Here's what many people misunderstand. AI doesn't replace your team, it redeploys your team. Restaurants using phone automation typically redirect over 200 hours per month from answering calls to food prep, service quality, and guest experience. Front of house burnout drops significantly. Meanwhile, AI handles peak hour overload, after hours bookings, intelligent upselling, and multiple simultaneous calls. AI personalization alone can drive 22% higher conversions and 60% more repeat purchases. This isn't just cost cutting, it's revenue optimization. Let's break it down. Imagine your restaurant gets 75 calls a day. If you miss just 25%, that's about 19 calls lost every single day. Over a month, that adds up to roughly 570 missed opportunities. Now let's put that into perspective. If your average order value is $35 and even half of those callers place an order, that's close to $10,000 in lost revenue every month. Now compare that to spending just a few $100s a month on an AI voice agent that answers every call instantly. The return on investment speaks for itself. This is why platforms like DineStack AI are gaining traction. It's a dedicated AI platform built specifically for restaurants, handling calls, reservations, orders, and even WhatsApp ordering, while integrating seamlessly with existing POS systems. It's not just automation, it's infrastructure. In the coming years, restaurants won't compete only on food quality. They'll compete on customer experience and responsiveness. Because when 2 restaurants serve similar food, the one that answers first gets the order. The one that responds instantly earns the loyalty, and the one that never misses a call wins the market.